Yo, dog! Right in front of me. BAM! Aw, did you get him right when I dropped him? You son of a bitch. Where's the other one at?
He was right next to that, bro. Down the hill, though. I'm high by this rock and reload.
I got negative on visuals there, buddy.
He's down that hill for sure. I watched him run in there. He's down those trees, I think.
Oh, he's right in front of me.
Yeah.
Those fucking
Oh, god damn it!
As you fucking ran towards them.
Oh!
How stupid can you fucking be?
Sniper
Sniper rifle back.
I'm getting sniped.
And your gear.
Or shot at. I'm getting shot at.
From where?
I don't know.
I hear it.
From my right, I think, maybe.
Yeah, it's straight ahead of me.
Oh yeah, it's up on the hill right here.
I see him. I saw his shot where his shots came from. I need to circle around though, because we can't see him.
He's in the building. He's coming out of the building right in front of me.
Did you get him?
Yep.
Why would you come out of the building if you're getting
Oh my god, dude, this is fucking great.
We would have both been dead immediately.